Hey everybody, it's Neil. And I got this creatine. This is Monohydrate Gummies. It's for somebody else, but I want to show you guys what this all has in it. It has taurine, creatine, L-Carnitine, Electrolyte blend, and cayenne pepper extract. It's got all the good things. These are great. This is like a nice little workout kind of gummies to have. And if you look at them in the, I'll open it up here because so we can see it. It's by Bageto. Okay, so inside, probably got a plastic seal. There it is. Okay, so this is what the gummies look like here. It looks like you've got some, I don't know, blue and red maybe. I'm colorblind, but that's it. So this is what the gummies look like there. I don't know. Not sure what all the colors are. You guys can figure it out for yourselves, but I think they're all the same. It says to take 3 gummies daily or as directed by your healthcare provider. These are nice to take like before you work out or something like that, just to give you a little boost of energy and everything, supposedly. So that's what these are here. So these are cool. It comes with 120 gummies. So I guess 40 workouts if you do it 3 at a time. So really cool. Nice stuff. Thumbs up for sure.